Hey guys, and welcome back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Samsung Galaxy devices, how you can get boost up your Samsung Galaxy devices. If you enjoying my video, make sure to subscribe and press the like button. And if you're new on my tutorial, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video. Now guys, first step is tap on device care, and as you can see here, now tap on three dots, and now guys tap on automation. As you can see here, the turn on these settings, auto optimize daily, and select attempt. I selected the 3 p.m. and mobile and your Samsung Galaxy automatically close app and get free space on 17 p.m. on 3:17 p.m. Now first of all, turn on these settings and tap on restart your phone. So I selected restarting my phone, so as you can see here, and select attempt for restart. So restarting time is 1 p.m. restarting time is 1 p.m. So this is some settings. Tap on adaptive power saving, turn on adaptive power saving and off automatically based on your Samsung power saving, and off automatically based on your Samsung your device patterns. And now guys, the second step is really easy. Second step is really easy. Tap on background usage limit, and tap on deep sleeping applications. So if you note which application you not use, and add this application in deep sleeping, and this is sleeping applications, and add some application to sleeping application. This will close your application you will not use. So this is never sleeping. So use this feature. This is a beautiful useful feature. And tap on settings, and this is a hack. This is a performance hack. And tap on here, as you can see, tap on here, find the background limits, and tap on here 3 background limits. This is not a useful feature, so I use this feature, animation scale. So reduce animation scale to get more performance, as you can see here. This is it. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and press the like button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe for more exclusive videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget, subscribe.